not known less, except the law had said, "Thou shalt not covet."
But the condemnation occasioned by the commandment brought in me all manner of guilt, for without the law sin was dead.
For I was alive without the law once, but when the commandment came, sin revived, and I died. Church.
And the commandment which was ordained by God, I found to be unto death.
For sin taken occasion by the commandment deceived me, and by it slew me. Man,
Wherefore the law is